Hey everyone, I'm Cameron from CData, and in this video, we're going to show you how an AI agent with Connect AI rebuilds a broken order-to-cash workflow in minutes, not months. Our scenario, we just migrated ERP systems from NetSuite to Dynamics 365 Business Central. The order-to-cash workflow, the one that turns a closed Salesforce deal into an ERP order and a Zora billing record, is broken and we need to update it. Here's our starting point. A Copilot Studio agent deployed in Microsoft Teams connected to our enterprise systems through CData Connect AI. We attached the old mapping file and asked our agent to rebuild it. What makes this agentic, rather than deterministic, is that it is not executing predefined mappings. It is reasoning over live schema metadata exposed at runtime, operating under my identity and permissions. It explores objects, relationships, constraints, and source-specific behaviors, then produces a structured mapping draft for a business analyst to review. The agent is finished, and here is the new mapping file, rebuilt for Business Central. The agent posts the output to Microsoft Teams and requests approval from the business analyst. What used to require integration engineers doing weeks of schema research is now a business analyst doing a structured review. That's a staffing model shift, not just a time compression. Once approved, we can hand the new file to the order-to-cash agent and start the workflow. Here's our order-to-cash agent that processes Salesforce opportunities into complete orders across our enterprise systems. Microsoft provides the orchestration and AI surface, while CData provides the governed enterprise data access layer. Together, that's what enables production-grade agentic workflows. This agent handles the full order-to-cash motion end-to-end from opportunity to provision subscription without anyone manually orchestrating the steps. To kick off this workflow, we start in Salesforce. When an opportunity hits close one, a Power Platform trigger activates the agent automatically. And unlike the mapping agent, this agent runs under a dedicated agent identity, not a human user credentials. It has its own scope permissions in each connected system with a clear audit trail separate from any individual user. While the agent executes, let's look at what's powering it under the hood. Underneath this workflow are three architectural requirements. The first is connectivity. These aren't thin API integrations. Our connectivity model covers every available endpoint across every supported version of each system's API. That eliminates API drift risk, one of the most common causes of silent integration failure in production environments. The second requirement is context. As I scroll through the tables and fields, you're seeing exactly what an agent sees. They aren't guessing field names, they're reasoning over live schema metadata at query time. This isn't a semantic layer or MDM or a catalog. It's runtime structural intelligence, the contextual metadata an agent needs to reason correctly about each system that it touches. The third requirement is control. Identity separation, consistent role-based access controls, and data layer enforcement. Governance sits below the AI, not inside of it. Our agent's user can query, insert, and update, but it cannot delete even if the source system permissions allow it. The order-to-cash agent is finished. The technical outcome is clear. A customer created, an order generated, and a subscription provisioned. The details are reported back to the team by the agent, and Salesforce is updated to reflect the order status. But the business outcome matters more. A workflow that would traditionally require integration engineers, API specialists, and weeks of mapping analysis was executed by an AI agent doing discovery and a business analyst doing review. That's what operating model modernization looks like in practice: human-led and agent-operated. AI agents introduce adaptive reasoning, but adaptive reasoning without a governed data layer creates risk. What you just saw is the architecture that closes that gap. Microsoft provides the orchestration and AI surface. CData provides the connectivity, context, and control for agentic workflows. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build next.